قال ومن كفر فأمتعه قليلا ثم أضطره إلى عذاب النير.
Next, the author goes on to introduce some new words, terms to know. Kilmi comes from kalima, meaning word. So, kilmi comes from the word kalima, and this word or this style of writing the word kalima, how they're using it, kilmi, you'll find it in the next book. They will use this word a lot, kilmi. So instead of using kalima, they will use the word kilmi. So kilmi means word. Harfi, coming from harf, meaning letter. And mukhaffaf meaning light, referring to a sukoon which is generally light or easy to read. Like if someone were to read an'amta alayhim ghayril maghdubi, so it was very easy in reading those sukoons in this portion of the verse which I've just read in Surah Fatiha. So sukoons are easy to read, and because of that easiness, it is called mukhaffaf. It is light. It is generally easy to read a sukoon. So this is called mukhaffaf. Muthaqqal, meaning heavy, referring to a tashdid which is heavier in pronunciation than the sukoon. Now reading, for example, words like barri and haqqa, and so these are harder words or sounds, pronunciation, where there's a tashdid, it is harder. Because of this hardness, the pronunciation is called muthaqqal, heavy. So these are just 4 new terminologies we need to know: kilmi, harfi, mukhaffaf, and muthaqqal. Now mad lazim is initially divided into 2 types. So previously we described or we explained what is mad lazim. So this is not more types of mad lazim. This is just a deeper explanation or description of the mad lazim. So mad lazim, it is divided into two types. The mad lazim kilmi. So as we know, what is mad lazim is when after the letter of mad it is followed by permanent sukoon. So that same mad lazim, it can be kilmi, meaning it is going to be found in a word. If you look at the explanation, mad lazim will be kilmi if the letter of mad and the sukoon are found in a word. So basically just what I've said. If you look in the previous page, the example of mad lazim, the word al-ana, mad lazim there, so you would read al-ana. So we know what type of mad is that. We already explained that is mad lazim. But let us describe it further. What type of mad lazim? We will say it is mad lazim kilmi. It is mad lazim, yes, because it is followed by it after the letter of mad. It is followed by a permanent sukoon. But also it is in one word. So it is mad lazim kilmi. So we're just giving a deeper description of mad lazim. If we look, moving on, mad lazim will be harfi. Mad lazim will be harfi if the letter of mad and the sukoon are found in a letter, a harf. By letter, harf, the katlas, al-huruf al-muqatta'at, are specifically referred to. Example, alif lam mim ra ta sin mim, etc. So all these examples. Now one might ask, how do you find a letter of mad and a sukoon in a letter? So the answer is simple. When you break out these huruf muqatta'at, when you break it up, the letter qaf, we pronounce it as qaf, but when you write it and you break it up, it is actually qaf, alif, fa. So that is what they are speaking about. When you break it up, qaf, alif, fa, if you look at the previous example again, the qaf, it is just the letter qaf written there, but when we're saying it, when we're articulating it, we are saying qaf, alif, and a fa. So after there is alif, which is a letter of mad, and it is followed by a fa, and on that fa, it is a permanent sukoon. So that is what they are referring to, that if the letter of mad, which was at alif in qaf, and the sukoon, which is on the fa, qaf, they are in one letter. So this would be mad lazim harfi. So now we can apply the same rule, or we break all the letters of the huruf muqatta'at, like the sin in ta sin, and mim, and the alif lam mim. So basically all your huruf muqatta'at, we break it up. We are actually saying three letters. If you say the sin in ta sin, it is sin, ya, noon, and there is a ya, which is a letter of mad, there is a noon, which has a permanent sukoon. So that's what they mean, a letter of mad and a sukoon in a single letter. So what type of mad lazim will that be? If you look at the example given, it would be in the example of alif lam. What mad is lam? Why are we pulling it? Is mad lazim. And if you want to describe it further, it is mad lazim harfi, because lam is a harf. It is happening in one letter. And similarly the mim, that is mad lazim harfi, because it is a mad lazim happening in a particular letter. So that is this description of mad lazim kilmi, mad lazim harfi.
وإذ قال إبراهيم